Hi guys, I'm Jim and I'm a tour guide here in Scotland. I spend most of my time telling you what you need to see and do when visiting our country. But in this video, I'm going to tell you some things absolutely not to do when visiting Scotland. First up guys, don't drive on the right hand side of the road, we drive on the left here. Don't come here without a waterproof jacket, trust me, you'll need one. It rains for about 400 days a year here. Likewise, don't forget your sun cream. It's always sunny in Scotland. Guys, you don't need to buy bottled water here. Bring a refillable bottle. We've got some of the purest water on the planet. Drink it straight from the tap or a Highland stream. Number 5 on my list. Don't just stay in Edinburgh. Get out the city and explore the rest of what Scotland has to offer. Don't expect to find an elevator in all of our hotels. Some of them are located in buildings that are hundreds of years old. Don't come all this way and not try our haggis. Don't worry about the ingredients, just go for it. It's a taste sensation across the nation. Right guys, next up, and this one's quite important, so pay attention. Don't say, what part of England are we in? Get that one? Good. Don't be scared to talk to locals. They might look a bit scary, but they're usually very friendly, and they may even buy you a drink in the pub that night. Whatever you do, don't ask a Scotsman what he wears under his kilt. After all, a true Scotsman is way too much of a gentleman to answer that. Please, please, please do not try and do the Scottish accent, especially after a few whiskies. Just don't, trust me. Here's a little tip for you. Don't try and tick off every tourist hotspot in one visit. I think it's much better if you focus on one specific region and explore it a bit more thoroughly. And it gives you a good excuse to plan another visit in the near future. Don't expect shops and other places to be open late here, especially out with the cities. Lots of places will actually close about 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Late opening is not that common out with our cities. Lastly guys, I would say my biggest don't do is do not skip our beaches here in Scotland. I know that we're famous for our mountains, castles, lochs and Highland cows, but we've got some truly stunning beaches here where turquoise blue waters lap golden and silver sands. Honestly guys, get out to a Scottish beach. You'll thank me. I hope you found some of those tips useful and funny. Hey, I know, why don't you take a tour with us here at Scotland's Wild and we'll keep you right.